Welcome, everyone. My name is Kyle Hershey. I am the COO of the Mortgage Calculator, joined here by our president, Nick Hershey, and our sales manager, Jose Gonzalez. We are a lender that specializes in non-QM loans. And what we're going to do today is talk about how you can work with us as a referral partner. So how you can refer business purpose loans to us here at the Mortgage Calculator to make a referral fee. So our president, Nick, is going to go ahead and go through a presentation of the different types of loans that we can do that with and how it works. And then our sales manager, Jose, will discuss the type of opportunity that you all have, depending on what kind of business you're already in, to be able to take advantage of referring us business purpose loans. So Nick, if you're ready, let's talk about the type of loans everybody can refer us and how those work.
All right. So let me go ahead and share my screen and go through the presentation here. So let's go ahead and get started and talk about our solutions for investors for our referral partners. So first off, let's go ahead and define what a business purpose loan is. So this is a loan investing in an entity like an LLC, LLP, S Corp, C Corp, trust, real estate investment trust, very popular these days. Whatever it may be, it's not a person or a personal name or going to use personal income in any way. So these are true commercial loans. But as long as we have that under control, there are a lot of ins and outs and ways we can capitalize on this program that allow you all to refer business here. So what types of loans can we do? Our DSCR loans, obviously our most popular loans, that's what we're typically talking about here, which are kind of a new breed of loans that are really expanding rapidly. We have your traditional commercial loans, which are more traditional and have been around for a long time. Then we also have our hybrid programs, our small mixed-use properties. We can do a hybrid of the DSCR loan, but what is typically a commercial property. And same thing with the small multifamily, 5 to 8 to 5 to 10 units. We can apply more of the standard DSCR rather than a commercial loan. So pretty interesting hybrid programs we have there. We also have our second mortgages, very popular these days with the rates being a little bit elevated, or also known as HE loans, where we don't have to touch the investor's first mortgage and can still get them some cash on their property as a second mortgage. We also have our portfolio loans for multiple properties under one loan, typically used when multiple properties may be of smaller value and would not qualify on their own. So why would you want to send us a deal? Of course, so you can earn a referral fee. You can earn up to 75 basis points or 0.75% for any of those business purpose loans. And not only can we do those loans in-house with our own funds, but if we need to partner with a specialty banker lender, we have over 100 outlets for that. And we're always going to have the best non-QM rates and terms. As Kyle mentioned, that's our specialty and our focus here. And you can also pull the instant rates for all of our standard programs online, and so can your customer, and instantly apply. Kyle will show you that here at the end of the demo. And we can do this in 44 states, pretty much across the board, and then even sometimes a few others, depending on the ins and outs of the deal and the property. So lots of different opportunities to send deals our way here and benefit. Now let's talk about DSCR loans. These are our most popular loan product, our flagship mortgage product, I would say. And it's because it doesn't require any income or employment. It's your typical commercial loan, but they do a simple calculation for DSCR, debt service coverage ratio. So you just take the gross rents from the appraisal and you divide it by the expenses, the PITIA. So if the property cash flows, that's a ratio of 1 or higher, which is typically preferred. We even have options for ratios down to 0, where we need to calculate a ratio, but it's not necessarily used for the loan. We have all kinds of different terms we can add, 30 to 40-year terms, fixed rate or interest only. We can go up to 85% LTV on the purchase and up to 80% LTV on a cash out. So all kinds of different options under DSCR. And as we mentioned, it's our favorite product. You can also do some specialty types. Short-term rentals, very popular request these days. We can do up to 85% LTV using the long-term rents if that works out. And if we have to use the short-term rents, we can do up to 80% purchase using short-term rents for a DSCR. We can also do DSCR on rural properties. Of course, there's limits there, but it is possible. Same thing with manufactured homes. Not many outlets have a place for that, but we do under our DSCR programs. We can also do no seasoning cash out. So if someone maybe buys a property for cash because it's maybe distressed, as long as we can do the deal the next day, we can go ahead and start a cash out. And we have, as I mentioned before, our fixed rate second mortgages, use the DSCR, which is a very interesting way to position those second mortgages. Now, what types of property can we do? Obviously, 1 to 4 unit residential properties are your typical requests, but a couple of the twists here that I mentioned, we can do the standard DSCR loans on a 5 to 8 unit and even sometimes 5 to 10 units, depending on the program, for what would traditionally be a commercial residential property. Same thing with a small mixed use property, as long as it's mainly residential, we can do 2 to 8 units and sometimes even 2 to 10 units of a mixed use property under the standard DSCR programs. Then we have our 9 to 100, the large multifamily, which are typically done a little bit differently. We have our short-term rental. So if a property is zoned as short-term rental or your actual designation of condotel, your original short-term rental, we have options for that. And as we mentioned before, portfolio loans where you may be able to, may have to put 3 or more properties together in order to otherwise qualify. Now, what types of borrowers? Obviously, U.S. citizens eligible for all the programs. We have ones for I-10s, which may not have a status currently. So anybody that has a valid visa, obviously, is pretty much a U.S. citizen as far as that is concerned. I-10s would be someone who doesn't have status but does live and work here. Maybe they didn't renew their visa, etc. A true foreign national would be someone who does not live here and does not work here, but can still do our DSCR programs. And we also have options for first-time home buyers. They're wanting to purchase their first property as a investment property under DSCR program, we have that. And our first time investors, maybe they own a primary, but this is their first investment. We still have plenty of options for that. And our true commercial loans, this is your more standard stuff. So obviously we have all of these outlets as well, retail, office, shopping centers, hotels, industrial, storage, very popular these days, gas stations, land, ground up construction, development type stuff, very popular, assisted living facilities, very popular. Then of course, fix and flip, hard money, any kind of rehab stuff, very popular as well. So we have all of those outlets that you're used to. Now, how do you partner? It's very simple. You use the link. Kyle will show you what that looks like. But it's basically our link where our customers go to get a quick quote. They'll have your own version of that link that tags to you. You'll be able to submit your deals instantly. You can load those up for your customer or send that link out to your customer to set that up. And then you'll be tagged to an LO. You can reach out to them on the quote and track that in the portal. You'll see the different quotes that go out. And once that loan closes, you can claim your invoice payout via our bill.com invoicing system within 10 days of closing there. So all kinds of different ways to automate the process for you. Simple thing is just get started, send your clients a link, and you can go ahead and check out our programs. Last slide here is just our disclaimer. Again, this is business purpose loans only. Definitely read through the fine print, but let's have Kyle take over and show what the actual website part looks like so you can see how to get your customers started.
All right, so what you're gonna go do here is go to themortgagecalculator.com. We'll put the link there in the chat too, but at themortgagecalculator.com, if you go to contact, you can click refer a business purpose loan. That pops up to this page here. And this is where you're going to sign up to join as a commercial referral partner. So once you sign up here, at that point, you will get your own link immediately to be able to send to your clients. So you get your own link and it's actually going to look like this. And it's going to be tracked to you so that your clients can actually start through the process here with just a couple of clicks. So that is how it all works. So it's very simple. As soon as you sign up, you will get your own unique link to send to your clients so that they can request quotes, and one of our loan officers will reach out. Hopefully we'll close a deal and then we'll pay you out your referral fee. So with that being said, let's go ahead and turn it over to Jose here, our sales manager. So we'll have Jose talk to those of you out there. Jose is a loan officer and a realtor of 28 years. So he can talk about the opportunity that's out there for you, whether you may be a realtor or maybe another loan officer or whatever it is that you do. So go ahead, Jose.
Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning for those of us on the West Coast. Those of you, not me, I'm on the East Coast. This is a great opportunity to add income by offering an ancillary service like the business purpose loan, right, to people that are in your sphere, for example. So this is a great opportunity for the realtors, especially with all of the commotion going on now with like buyers, agents commission and all that kind of stuff. Well, this is a great tool to add to your mix of products, because now you can make the 75 basis points on any business purpose loan that you refer. So realtor, you could go into your past transactions, see any cash deals or any hard money deals where you can refinance the customer, put the money back into their pocket so they can buy some additional properties, continue taking advantage of these great DSCR programs that are out there, or fixed flip, ground up constructions. Those are three of the potential deal types that you can refer, because they are true business purpose loans, as well as a true commercial loan, which would be another business purpose type loan, long as you're closing in an entity, right? So those are the deals you can make money on. So you can be a realtor, you can be a title company agent, right? Just think about all the closings you've done. You have the database, an insurance agent. Think about all of the policies that you've bound in all of those homes that had loans, right? Maybe they need a refi or whatever it may be. You have the list already. Investors, which is another group that can definitely take advantage of this. Investors, you all typically are members of investment clubs, for example, or you have your sphere of influence of your investors that would love for you to share the opportunity to be able to finance their properties with the DSCR loan. And you just set it up in the CRM that Kyle showed you there, refer the deal, and we'll take over the rest, and you make your 75 basis points within 10 days of closing. So good opportunity here to basically not leave any money on the table. You're already working with these people. You've already established a business relationship with them. You've already gained their trust. So you would definitely be leaving money on the table if you did not seek out to assist those that already trust you with the great opportunities of all these financing programs that we have. So looking forward to helping you all there gain some extra income. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, again, to sign up, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com. You're going to click on contact and then refer business purpose loan. That's how you sign up. You'll immediately receive your own links you can send to people. They can start applying, and we can start doing the loans that you're referring us so you can get paid out. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We appreciate it, and we hope to work with you soon to close some business purpose loan referrals with you. So take care, everybody.
Everybody.